You did crazy, oh, you ain't on the payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same shows. So please be quiet. I'm being polite. You did crazy, oh, you ain't.
Hello guys and girls, and welcome back. It's your boy Big John here, and I am back with some more free pips. I know you're going to like this one, guys and girls. I'm going to be going over all the major currency pairs excluding NZD/USD. You know I have put in Gbpjpy in there now, so stop asking me that question already, and we're going to catch some of these pips. I'm going to do some technical analysis and I'm going to get straight into it. No wasting time. Okay, yes, I'm back on my chart, and you know, to the left I've got EURUSD on the daily chart, and I've got EURUSD on the right on the weekly time frame, and we are going to be doing our top-down analysis. So let's go straight away. So you can see right now, as I did state to everybody, that the market was going to go towards this area and clear this liquidity here. This is what has happened. This did happen yesterday. We have seen a continuation, even though this was an indecision candle on the daily time frame here. We did see a continuation of a buy, and we have a target zone up here, right about here, of where there's daily liquidity. We can see it here. We can see some wicks left here, and it just looks like support and resistance areas, most likely on a lower time frame. So we believe that the market should go towards this area over here if it does want to continue anywhere. So instead of me just having this overall take profit, let's just say up here, I have decided to put another level here just to make sure that I'm respecting the market and what it actually does. So let's see if it heads towards there. What it has done, which is epic as well, it's leaving some liquidity to the downside as well. So once it gets to a resistance zone, then it's going to be great and fantastic for us to see a sell. And guess where it's going to go towards when it sees the sell? It's going to head to go and clear this. So right now we're just waiting for the buy to continue. Once you start seeing pairs around this type of point, I would not be looking at a continuation of a buy here. I would not be jumping in this pair market open saying, oh, Big John said it's going to buy, so I'm going to get in here or get in here. No, don't do that. You'll blow your account like that, and it's just not really safe trading. We can already see I gave a call out from down here. So in short, let's just be patient, wait for the trades to come to us, wait for them to play out. If they do want to continue buying in this USD bullish momentum, then we are looking at a weekly level of liquidity up here. Let's just zoom out in the chart so we can see a nice clear chart. So we do have a massive M pattern that formed here with a double bottom on the daily chart, and now we're seeing something like a pullback happening. So let's see how it plays out. GBP Japanese yen, the market did do what I expected it to do as well here, which is fantastic. We can see that the market had an indecision candle on this day here, but then it did cover this liquidity with a complete buy today. They were stalling the GBP pairs a bit today. I don't know why, but fundamentals can always play about with whatever happens in the market, but we can see that the market did go and clear this liquidity here. There was a level of interest here. And when you look at the weekly time frame when I'm doing this, there's nothing much there apart from obviously the massive propulsion candle that price seems to want to be covering right now. So I would say that price has hit our level of interest right now. If it does want to keep going up, it will go towards this area. Let's just use our little tool and mark this out. So we'll say price might head towards this area up here. This is what we're looking at if it wants to continue. But then if not, it might just go up a little bit, maybe go towards this level here, which is 151.753, and we could be seeing a rejection. And if it wants to reject anywhere and sell, we can see it can go down here. GBP USD. Now, like I said, I did give this one out to every single person in the group. So whoever has been following me, I gave this out as well, the entry for this buy today, in my mentorship program. So if you'd like to get into mentorship and find out how I gain entries into these trades, then please hit me up in Discord. Trust me, it's worth your while, and the prices will be changing soon. So make sure you get in now so you can get some of this knowledge and get some of this source. But I did give this call out for this buy right here. I did say that price most likely will go and cover this liquidity here. As we can see, it's marked out on the daily time frame. And we can see price has done a continuation of a buy towards this area here. So I've got my overall TP right here, and this is where I'll be looking to either take partial profits or come out of this trade entirely. If we do see anything else, it might do a nice break up here. We can see on the weekly time frame there's a lot of liquidity up here. So we have to see how they play the market, really. We just need to see how they play it. If you're seeing price going further up or further down on any of these pairs I'm explaining, then you're most likely going to see a continuation going on to next week. as it's kind of strange for the market to just continuously buy in one up direction or sell in one direction. At some point, I'm expecting either consolidation, a reversal, or consolidation and a continuation next week. But right now, this is my overall TP. If we zoom out on this chart, we can see that we have a nice M pattern that did form here, and now it's going into a W pattern right now. So this is why it could be possibly a big buy, because we can see a nice W pattern that did form here. Usdjpy, now we can see that this has decided to make some type of movement now, so we're seeing some type of buy happen here. So I'm expecting price to go and cover this liquidity up around here. This is a massive weekly zone, as you can see on the weekly time frame on the right. So if price goes up towards this area, find some type of consolidation, then I am going to be looking for a sell to now take price back down to go and cover all this liquidity down here. Show me the money. That's what Big John's doing. I'm showing you the money.
What you gonna do, Jerry?
Usdchf. Now this is just bleh, bleh. It's nasty. We don't want to trade this pair right now. We need to wait for price to clear this liquidity up here on the top, or possibly go down towards the bottom. Right now it's just indecisive. It's just staying here. So not until I see some type of action. I want to see a big propulsion candle, some type of nice buy. As you can see, a candle like this, at least half of this, cover out this liquidity up here. Then I'll catch a reversal from around here, and I'll be looking to take the reversal down to this area of interest right here. Of course, hopefully on the way down it will be covering all of the liquidity it's leaving here as well. So we'll have like a TP1 area around here, and then we'll have a TP2 area around here. So we'll see how it goes, but like I said, I'll be keeping you up to date daily, seeing what's going on. AUD USD, ooh, what a beautiful M pattern on the daily chart. Look at that. So we can see AUD USD has hit our estimated level where we believe where take profit could be. That was 0.72701. We can see that price has actually broke this level as well. And as it's broke this level, what we love to see, liquidity. We can see liquidity here, we can see liquidity here, and we can see the market has broke this area right here. So if they do want to continue to buy, like I said on the other pair, if it's a continuation next week, then we're looking at price going up towards this area here, and then eventually going to this weekly area here. But if not, we might see a rejection towards this area, and price could do consolidation and then do a reversal to go clear this liquidity. But if it gets all the way up to here, I mean, it's not that far for this liquidity, so it would make sense for it to cover that, find some type of resistance zone, and resume its trip to Hades down here.
Pow!
Wow, Usdcad 236 pips I gave out there to the people then. 236 pips. That's what you needed for the whole week. That's all you needed for the whole week. Show me the money. As you can see right now, we're expecting price to find some type of support around this area. It did do a buy off this level, but it seems like it was a fake out buy. They pushed price back down on the daily time frame, as we can see. As long as price respects this level here, then I am expecting price to go up towards this level right here and cover this liquidity. Price could possibly do a massive buy to go and do that, or consolidate for a little while first and then go and do that. We just have to see how it plays out. But trust me, me and my students will be ready to catch this in the mentorship group. This is what we'll be looking for. So that is Usdcad.
We ain't stopping. We ain't stopping. We ain't stopping. We ain't stopping.
May I also add on Usdcad, before we do move on, we can see that there's a level here, and then there's this liquidity. So yes, if it does go towards this level, we're looking at price probably going here and taking out this high eventually, and not just reversing like this. But that all depends on fundamentals. We'll see what happens. And that about wraps it up, guys and girls. Nice, short and sweet. No need to take too long. We can see the market's already moving. We can see people have caught pips. I will be doing a pip count for this, and it will be going up either the middle of the week, or it will be going up at the end of every single week. Sometimes it might even be on a day. It depends what the market does. It depends what time I have. But there will be a pip count on these trades, so people can see that there is some type of data being collected on what's going on here. And just so people can see that these things are happening and people can be making these free pips I'm talking about. Like I said, please, this is not a signal service. I do not expect people to come into my Discord and start asking me, is EuroUSD going to buy now? Is it going to sell now? I don't want to hear all of that stuff. Please allow me. I don't need headache, man. No headache. Yeah. And for the comments in YouTube as well, you can have your general discussion, but let's not try and treat it like a signal service. Please, all I want you to do is just comment, you know, give me some positivity. I'm out here spending my time recording these videos, editing these videos, giving you some TA, especially for the new people that like to see the cleaner charts with just price action. Come on, man. Show me some love. Share this video, like, comment, share, subscribe. It's your boy, Big John, and I'm out. Peace.